and today we're gonna do the social security together.
What is social security? It's a state that takes care up to 70% of your medical expenses. It's free and mandatory for all students, and everyone can have access to it, whether they are French or foreigners. It's very important because if you have an accident, you won't have to pay for everything out of your own pocket. That's why you have to do it as soon as possible. If you have the European Health Insurance Card or the S1 form, then your expenses are already taken care of, and you don't need to do those steps. Otherwise, stay with us for the rest of the video. So first, when you are on the website, you need to enter those three informations. Étudiant sans activité professionnelle, so student without any professional activity, your birth date, and your nationality. If your nationality is not one of the list right here, you have other nationality at the bottom. Continue. Okay, so this is a recap of the documents you will need to put to have your social security. You can first start with those three that are mandatory today. So schooling certificate, an ID or your passport, and your student visa. And also a bit later on, but if you have them now, it's way better because it will go faster. A birth certificate, officially translated in French. You can ask for it on AB Traduction Lille, for example. Also, you need your titre de séjour, which is the validation of your visa, and your RIB, so a French bank account. Okay, let's continue. Here it's some information about yourself. So your last name, first name, your country of birth and country of where you are living right now. Then this is really important. It's the date where your right to the social security started. So it's when you are in France, when you have your school certificate, and you validate your visa. If you answer those three conditions, you can ask for the social security. Here you can just write your address, and finally your email and your phone number. Now you need to download the document we talked about just a bit earlier. So again, your schooling certificate here, your ID or passport right here, and your visa mentioning students. Again, if you don't have those three now, it's okay, but if you have, it's better. So a birth certificate sworn, your visa validation, and your RIB, so your bank account. Okay, so this is a recap of all the information you just put. Be careful and check really well if all the informations are correct, because later it will be more difficult to change it. At the bottom you can also check the documents you put before and check if they are alright, otherwise you can just continue. Now you receive an email to validate your email and create your new password. Also, in 3 weeks you will receive your temporary social security number, and it can take up to 8 months to have the final one. Thank you very much. It was Juliette from Live in France. If you have any question, you can always contact us on hello@liveinfrance.com. It was a real pleasure to help you in this process. Have a nice day. Bye bye!